Friends, today I will discuss my most liked video, selection of business according to life. Yes, friends, every person who is getting taking born in this earth is decided by God to do something. Now, sometime by luck, he gets the line in which he have to do the work. I mean to say, he is in the same line, same profession, which he should be, which he should have to do by his luck. And so he makes continuous success in his career, and so many other persons they thought that he is a very successful person. He have never got any type of difficulty, or more other to say unsuccess in his life. So many times you might have also seen this thing, but the person who do not get result after making so many efforts, he becomes sometimes very nervous, and whenever he lives alone, he curses himself and also asks God why he is getting so much unsuccess, that he is not happy himself, not he is keeping well to his family. What is the problem? How it can be cured? Friends, that's the matter today we are going to discuss. Friends, every person who is taking birth on this earth, he cannot live without doing any work. He have to do anything, even if you think that you will do by doing nothing, then to do nothing is also a work, and all these things adds to his luck, or he encases the results of his deeds, misdeeds, whatever he have done in his life after coming time to time. So now, friends, it's very important now to do work according to your luck. When you do any work and live your life, then what happens? Sometimes you get results in a good manner. That means you have done something in past in a good manner, so you are getting result of that things whatever you have done in the past. And if you are spending bad time, I mean you are not feeling well with the things, either it may be in the way of receiving monetary, with the efforts, whatever efforts you are doing your work, and if you are not satisfied, then what to do? You will like to repair or you would like to modify your work so that at least you can get some pleasure by receiving the monetary in a simple way. That's the thing. This topic is covered by me, selection of business according to luck. Friends, every person who has taken birth in this on earth, he gets his luck. God has fixes planets to judge your anything you are doing is good or bad. It is judged by the big personality. He is God, and it is decided by him that whether your work should be honored, whether it should be kept for giving some reward to you in future, or whether that work is punishable for you in future. Now friends, if you are getting pleasure in your life, that means you have done some good things in the past which are rewarded in the present time, in which you are feeling some happiness. Now friends, what happens? It's very advisable to do the work according to the planets who will give you pleasure in your present life. And it's possible that you first come to know which planets are helpful to you, starting from Sun to Rahu Ketu. Any expert astrologer can help you regarding in this matter, from where you will come to know that for which type of planets your life have been made in this born. And if you do work according to that planets, then definitely you will live happily. For that, you have to consult any astrologer who will decide, who will calculate your fortune, your present time, difficulties or anything by giving him birth time, birth date, birthplace, and also the pictures of your luck lines on your hands. If you are gents, then on the right hand. If you are ladies, then on the left hand. So friends, it is better to do work according to good advice of any expert astrologer, and to live happily by doing less efforts and achieving a good monetary results. Friends, we will discuss this matter further in forthcoming videos. Please be with me. Thank you very much. Your friend Nutan Khandelwal, always with you. Thank you very much.